Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, one day the sun got eclipsed. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood up to perform prayer. Hence he pronounced takbeer and he made a long recitation, then bowed for a long time. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head and uttered, Sami Allahu liman hamida. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu listened to him who praised him. Afterward he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up for the second unit and made a long recitation, but it was shorter than the previous one. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed in the bowing for a long time, but it was shorter than that of the first unit. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam prostrated himself for a long time. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did so in the last unit and performed salutation. Since then the sun had become bright. So addressing the people, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the solar and the lunar eclipses are the two signs of Allah's signs. They don't get eclipsed on account of somebody's death or birth. So whenever you see them eclipsed, go to perform prayer. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3203.